Namaskara.
Namaskar.
My name is Peripaidi Govardhan Kumar. I am son of late Professor Peripaidi Kamaya Garu. Today we are talking about eminent Professor Kumbar sir on the event of centennial ceremony of sir. We want to tell about the association with the eminent Professor Kumbar sir to our family, how he inspired our family, and since how many decades we know him. We will brief. This is the occasion to recollect the memories of eminent Professor Kumbar sir. Myself, since childhood, I know Kumbar sir, but my father before my birth, he knows Kumbar sir because my father, he did his diploma in library science around 60s in Dharwad University. Later in 70s, he did MLIC. Later in 80s, he did a PhD under eminent Professor Kumbar sir. So that's why we are closely associated with Kumbar sir and his family. Many occasions, because before birth itself, my dad is he feel that if my grandfather, Mr. Ankireddy, give birth to my father, then Kumbar sir, he give the life of my father. He is remembering throughout life. We also we have many occasions, because as a part of my father education, he used to travel frequently from initial days Tirupati to Dharwad, later from Anantapur to Dharwad for doing his masters and PhD. During the course, he is closely associated with eminent Professor Kumbar sir and his family, and they also coming to Anantapur Sri Krishna Deva Raya University as a part of academics, and they used to come to our house and they used to spend with us. We learn many things from them. In fact, because today we are in a decent position. This is one of the reason of the trail path given by eminent Professor Kumbar sir to my father. From there, by seeing my father and Professor Kumbar sir, we are grown up. So he cultivated our lives. He given a direction, because today we are in a decent position. I am working for one of the United Arab Nations government organization. I am working in another country. Getting the job is not easy, but we got that job because of only the path which is given by my father. It is for my father. The path is given by eminent Professor Kumbar sir. This is what I want to explain about him, and since eminent Professor Dr. Karsiddappa sir has intimated this about this centennial ceremony of eminent Professor Kumbar sir. So we recollect, and I am very thankful to all the people who, because today to just to discuss about. We almost spent 3-4 hours to discuss, recollect about Kumar sir and his family, why they came, when they came, if they come, where they visited, what my parents they used, they help to take them to visits, local visits. We all grow like a family because they never, my father never treat him as a professor, or he treat him like his father. He always feel gratitude, and the same thing he used to tell us, and we grown up in the same way. This eminent Professor Kumar sir is inspiration for many generations. That's what I feel. And now I ask my mother, Srimati Munirajamma garu. She will explain in Telugu what the memories she have with eminent Professor Kumar sir and his family. Amma, no explanation.
నమస్తే ప్రొఫెసర్ కుమార్ సార్ మాకు ఎప్పటి నుంచో మా ఆయన ప్రొఫెసరు, ఆయన గైడు, ఆయన తండ్రిలాగా చూసుకునేవాడు. అందువల్ల మాకు ఆయనతో అనుభవాలు, అనుభూతులు కలిసి మేమంతా వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ, మా ఫ్యామిలీ కలిసిపోయి కొన్ని గుళ్ళు, గోపురాలు, పుణ్యక్షేత్రాలు అన్నీ చూసేవాళ్ళము. మాతో బాగా ప్రొఫెసర్ గారు బాగా కలిసిపోయి వాళ్ళ భార్య మిసెస్ కుమార్ మాతో బాగా మాలోనే కలిసిపోయి ఉండేది. ఎప్పుడు ఆమెకి మేమన్నీ